Alright, here's something you guys haven't seen in a long time. That's not a train, which is really weird. Nope, that's not a train. Anyways, this is my cubcadet 6-speed rear wheel drive SR 621 Kawasaki engine on it. I used to use this all the time. This is my main mower. It's like the only mower I ever used for a long time. One time I was changing its oil and accidentally dropped a nail right in there, right into the oil inlet tube. So last night I didn't make a video of it because it's too dark, and I felt like just fixing it instead of making a video. But I pulled it all apart, got the nail out of it, put it all back together. For the longest time it would grind if you pushed on the side of one of these, and I'm pretty sure I fixed that because there was a bolt missing on this side of the shroud and underneath the metal shroud, and then on this side also, and I only had one on the front, so I'm gonna guess that's why it would always grind whenever you'd push on the shroud. So gonna go ahead and start it up here. The safety, I've never had it on here. How I got this is I traded a Ryobi, like almost a brand new Ryobi weed eater, for this and another weed eater that actually ran. But anyways, so only pushed this once. I'll do it twice. Probably flooded it though. That primer's really sensitive on this. This is the first time it's been started up in probably 2.5 years, and it's still got that 2.5-year-old gas in it, so let's hope it starts. Oh boy. That's hard to pull. Oh gosh, dang. Gotta put you down. It's hard to pull with my left hand. Let's see if I can see you here. Wait a second. Alright.